Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside WordPress admin. Open the page or post you want to change and click Customize to access the theme preview. Once there, switch to the mobile view icon so you can see the true layout. This shows you how elements stack on small screens. Make sure to enable any theme responsive settings and check header and menu behavior now, because fixing those first avoids layout cascades later. If necessary, activate a mobile preview plugin for additional control. Next, you adjust the actual content for mobile. Select blocks and use responsive settings to change alignment, padding, and hide desktop-only blocks. This prevents overflow and speed issues. Once done, open navigation to assign a simplified mobile menu and set the hamburger icon and labels so users can tap through easily. Also replace large desktop images with scaled or 1/2 width versions to reduce load time and preserve layout. Test interactions by tapping through the preview. You finish by publishing your changes and then verifying on a real phone. Simulators help, but real devices catch touch and performance quirks. If styles don't update, clear any plugin, server, or CDN cache and disable CSS minification temporarily to see changes. This solves most sync problems. Finally, use the browser DevTools device toolbar and check console errors for broken scripts. If something breaks, revert the last change, then reapply incrementally to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.